a belt, a belt, a belt, a belt, a belt. So this lesson is how to pronounce a word. And in this lesson, we used a belt and how to actually pronounce it. So this is a single one word lesson. And to actually make your word comprehensible, you need to be able to pronounce it as approximate as possible. If you have a problem with a word, leave a comment down below and I will show you how to pronounce it. Obviously, I speak Australian English, but this can be understood in United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Ireland, and a lot of other countries where the first language is English. Thank you very much for watching and have a bonza day.